Do you want to start a side hustle, but need some ideas to get started? Millennials are turning in their droves to the gig economy, and 1 in 4 people are now starting a side hustle. Gone are the days of a high-paying job for life.
Beyond the necessity to supplement stagnant wages, young people are now demanding the flexibility of a work-life balance on their terms.
Doing a side hustle business outside of your day job is a fantastic way to have fun doing something you enjoy and get paid at the same time to support your lifestyle.
So what makes a good side hustle, and what are some good side hustle ideas? Let's check it out. Welcome to Unshackled.com, the investment channel that sets you and your finances free. I'm Andy, this is Ben, and if you like what we say, hit the like button and click subscribe. Also, if you want to support the channel and get rich in the process, then check out some of the offers in the description below, where we've listed loads of cool stuff that will help you become financially free, including up to £100 cashback when you sign up to one of the peer-to-peer platforms. Let's get into it.
Thinking of an idea is challenging. But before that, we need to be thinking of the right type of side hustle. What makes a good side hustle? We say that there are 3 types of side hustle. These are: number 1, pay by the hour or pay by the event. This is the trade time for money type of side hustle and is the most common. It is also what most people think of when they think of a side hustle.
Here are some ideas for this type of side hustle. Host murder mystery evenings at your home. Manage social media accounts for small businesses. Mystery shopping. Grow and sell plants. eBay clear out. Dog walking. Babysitting. Private tutor. Music lessons. Londoner? Offer free tours. Tourists expect to pay a decent tip each of £10 to £20.
What is good about the pay by event type of side hustle is that they are relatively easy to set up. You know roughly how much money you're getting in each month, and there are plenty of ideas out there. Whatever you are good at, you can spend your spare time doing it and getting paid for it. The downside to this type of side hustle is that there is limited room for growth. You only have so much time in the day, especially if you are working alongside a full-time job.
Number 2, 100% passive side hustle. We're not sure if these technically meet the definition of a side hustle, but they are a great way of making extra money outside of work, so we include them anyway. Examples of 100% passive side hustles include: rent out a room to a lodger or become an Airbnb provider. Let a commuter park in your drive or garden. Rent your garage out for storage. Hire out the use of another asset you own, e.g. a classic car or an expensive camera.
These are a far superior type of side hustle as they remove the time element from it. If you can, set up one of these types of side hustle first, and then once they are ticking along nicely, you can then turn your attention to side hustles which take more of your time.
This type of side hustle requires you to own assets and to make them work for you whilst you do nothing. Obviously, not everyone can do this, but if you are lucky enough to have a foot on the housing ladder, getting a lodger is simple and a significant step you can take to make hundreds of extra pounds each month, tax-free.
Number 3, business with growth potential. Finally, this type of side hustle is a true business startup. You can expect an initial cash outlay, maybe no profits for the first year or 2, but thereafter, unlimited growth, to the point where you can become financially free from it, hand over the work to somebody else, and just enjoy the profits.
This type of side hustle differs from something like a dog walking business in that it has scalability in terms of the number of people that it can reach. A dog walker can only walk so many dogs, a tour guide can only put on so many tours.
Examples of side hustle businesses with scalability are: start a YouTube channel, website or blog that offers value and helps people. Write a book. Be a graphic designer, photographer or music samples creator and sell your work on sites such as Audio Jungle. Produce and sell an online course such as website development, car mechanic, cookery, whatever you're good at, make a course to show others how to do it and charge big bucks. Investment property business.
Note that most of these are internet based. The reason so many people are able to make a living from the internet is that it is the purest and simplest tool to achieve scale. Everyone in the world is connected to the internet, meaning that your product or service has the potential to reach over 6 billion people. Come up with a product that either helps people or entertains them and a way of making sales passive, and then you're on to a winner.
The web-based tutorial site Udemy is a place where you can upload a series of videos that you have filmed and packaged together as a course, which people can download and buy. You create the course once and forget about it. An unlimited quantity of the course can be downloaded by a worldwide audience with no further input from you. You have scalability of production and audience reach.
This here is another example of a side hustle that can reach an unlimited number of people, and crucially we believe that provides value. We aim to provide as much information on investment and finance topics as we can in a short space of time to educate, entertain and help you become financially free.
In return, we hope that our channel and website grows over the years to reach a global audience, add value and provide us with cash flow alongside our investment portfolios. The key here is that we are doing something for the right reasons, something that we enjoy and that we believe helps people. If you can genuinely help the masses, your business will grow.
We include in that final list an investment property business. This lacks the scalability of an internet business, but can grow from a handful of rental properties into a portfolio 50 strong by reinvesting all profits. We include it because it doesn't require your time to manage, as you should be using a property agent to manage your portfolio for you. Unlike an internet business, however, it costs a lot more to set up.
Consider your schedule and flexibility. When choosing a side hustle, you should ask yourself, how much time do you have available? And how much is your time worth to you? Are you willing and able to give more of your time as your side hustle business grows? Setting up a business will take a lot of time and commitment before you start to make serious money, while a time for money side hustle might be better suited for someone who needs an extra income now.
Conclusion. As you know, here at Money Unshackled we love and crave passive income, but if we have to give up some of our time, it must be for scalable income. Therefore, we would always go for the second and third type of side hustle that we just discussed. They're 100% passive, such as getting a lodger or renting out your assets, or setting up a business with a scalability such as what we're doing right now.
We hope we've opened your mind to what a side hustle can be. It needn't be just another time for money trade-off like your job. If done right, your side hustle can set you free. Question of the day: what are your side hustle ideas? Let us know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching! On this channel we talk a lot about personal finance, investing and all things money. And if you want to see more great content, please click the subscribe button below.
This is moneyunshackled.com. See you next time.